No, I need just begin it.
Wow. So guys, I'm in home garden today, in our home garden here in Africa. What can you make it called? Here is a small home garden corn farm. Today I'm going to make kOKI corn and I'm going to take you guys with me. We're harvesting some corn here, peel it and make some delicious food. So why don't you guys join me? Let's do some kOKI corn, guys. Come on.
If there is any country in the world that people should know about the food, it's Cameroon. Cameroonian food are underrated. We are going to make kOKI corn. The first thing you have to do is to get your corn. It takes time to prepare food like this. You need a lot of love and patience. You get the corn, you peel the corn, you wash it, and then you take it to the machine to grind it. This is our local and very efficient food processor in Africa. It is used for grinding everything from corn all the way to spices. As you can see in our mix, we have some pepper. If you want to use garlic, put in all your spices before grinding. To make kOKI, we are going to need some plantain leaves and some plantain rolls. So now we are looking for those.
I said, the thing is so ramshackle.
My logo book, hey, maybe it's special.
You put on all.
Yeah, my logo slice.
I don't know, I like how we play, so I don't like that.
I like how we blend it. Yeah, you know, we big man. Father, is there old? And then how old is Valuma Day? Valuma, you are 20. Yes. Hey, baby, you. Are you with the baby for the asshole?
No, I'm not tired.
Give me one, Maggie. Go back.
Okay, I've started.
Yes. I even use my camera. My camera is on my back. I don't put oil or it fine.
It's okay.
Yeah, small one is strong. Okay, mama. Visa make the room now. And so
The lady in the blue is my senior sister Josephine. She loves to walk. She had stroke a year ago and she's paralyzed. One of her hand is working just about 20%. She's so eager to help, so I let her help because she's somebody who really love how to walk. I'm impressed.
yeah. Wow. It's right. Angry. So that is my senior sister there, Josephine. She has stroke. So one of her hand is not working very well. I'm so impressed that she can still do this. Emma Jo, you're good. You are very good. Sorry. Sorry. Other than I'm filming you. Meaning it. After 100 years in Europe, I thought I could just remove that kOKI from the pot because of social media. Let's see.
I've taken it. Okay. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Yes, my kOKI is 10 over 10. Please comment below. I would like to know if you do eat kOKI in your country. Have you ever seen kOKI before? Oh my god, the aroma is heavenly.
Supermarket. At the supermarket. Beautiful. kOKI corn. More kOKI. It's African. I want you to try it.
Me too.
Wow. It's nice. Nice man.
Yeah.
Pardon? It's good.
Depend by mamu. Very one only.
Una want me to put salt there?
No, it's okay.
It's a bit hard salt.